Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to attempt to make some kind of hay feeding device out of this. I think I'm going to cut over here, this side bottom, and up this side, and up the other side, and do the same to the other side, the opposite side one. Kind of fold them together, then wire them up. That way we got like a hay feeder type V going on. And then I'll take some of this fencing I have, this welded wire fencing, and I'll lay it in, on the side there. That way the hay just doesn't fall through. I'll show you. Alright, so first I'm going to get to cutting. I'm going to cut up this side. I'm going to cut down the other side. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Maybe cut out these middle posts here. And then I'm going to bring them together and we'll see on over there. Alright, I went and cut down the line there. I did not cut the top. I cut across the bottom. I think I'm going to have to cut maybe a little bit more, because when I bring them together, I don't know if it's going to be able to, like, I got it loose here. So I tried to push it in, and when I pushed it in, it was hitting the bottom down there, so I might have to trim some more off that. But this took me all about 5 minutes. Here's the other side. I cut down all those, cut across there, and then back up there. I did not cut the top. There's little metal pieces that went across here. You can see a tab there and a tab there. I just cut those off. I used my this grinder over here with just like a 4-inch cutting blade on there. We got these little hooks here. I'll probably just come over here and cut them off right here down there. But that's where we are now. I'm going to fold the two ends, like fold this end there in, fold this end here in, give us like a V type thing going on there. And then we'll see where we are. I might have to, cut some of the squares off to get them to, fold in to meet each other there. But I'll let you know what I did when I figure out what I'm going to do. Alright, here we are. I got them all. I cut these little hooks on this side. You can see that they're still on that side. Cut these off. That's what it's going to look like. I don't know if I'm going to paint it or not. I don't really. Maybe I will. This rusted spot or something. I don't know. But we got these together. I kind of just bent them in. They're kind of on the flimsy side, so you can just bend them in. I'm going to use some baling wire, and I'm going to wire this together down there. Finish cutting off those little hooks. I'm going to leave these ones from this to help hold the hay in. Then I'm going to, cut some fencing to size, and I'm going to wire it onto here. That way less hay falls out and we don't have a lot of hay waste. So I'm going to cut those off, wire this together, cut the fencing up, and we'll see where we are in a minute. Here I got her all done here. It ain't the prettiest thing, but it's going to do the job. Folded them ends in, like I said, wired them up, cut some fencing, put the fencing in here, wired it up. It's pretty good in there. I did the same to this side. But there it is. That probably took me, I don't know, 30 minutes or something. Maybe I should have put some fencing on this side or something, but we'll just have to see how it does. I'm going to get it on the little dolly here, throw it in there, fill it with hay, and we'll see what it looks like in action. Here it is in action. It appears they prefer the side that I didn't put the old fencing on. But, work for their meals, I guess. Here we go, they're figuring it out, I guess. But there it is with hay in it. Got her all put up. Hopefully we can waste less hay this time, instead of it just going to waste. Maybe next video or something I'll build a roof on this thing. But that's what we got so far. I do need to figure out some kind of roofing thing, that way the rain's not getting it. I don't know if it'll be here forever. We may move it around or something, but I kind of got it too close to the water. But yeah, there it is. It took me, maybe 30-45 minutes to build it. We got this cage deal. It's one of those. I got another one over here. But just these cage deals that come from factories or something, machine shops. They got, coolant in those deals or whatever. But this one came without the tub, so I just cut her up and made us a little hay feeder, and you know, it cost me nothing, 45 minutes of my time. But if you were going to start from scratch, you'd probably buy a nicer, newer one, and you know, those are like maybe $50 on Facebook Marketplace or something. 50, 75, something like that. I'm sure you can talk them down to 50, but I'm sure they'll, you know, examine this thing and test it out here, and yep, getting after the hay. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel, help my channel grow. Hopefully this helps anybody out that needs, you know, a hay feeder of some sort. They can, you know, build it out of things they got laying around. But looks good. It's, you know, nice and sturdy. I checked it before I drug it over here, and there it is, the hay feeder. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.